How do I film my restorations?
And how do I film my rides?
I get asked regularly in the comments of my videos what equipment I'm using, or how did I film that, or I love how you film your videos. And so this video is to answer those questions. In my videos, there's 5 main ways that I record content. The first is a panoramic of the bike, an intro and an outro. And I do this using my iPhone 11. And the reason I use my iPhone 11 is because it's so stable. I actually have a gimbal for my mirrorless camera, but the stability of the iPhone is so good that I kind of stopped using it, and it's so much simpler. And then I can do my outro panoramic in the field with just my iPhone, and it works great. The second are those close-up shots that I get of bike parts while I'm doing the restoration. And this is the majority of my video content. And it's done with a Canon M50 with a Rode Video Micro mic attached to the top that actually picks up a lot of the bike sounds really, really well. And to get those shots, I'm constantly moving my camera around. I use a Joby tripod, and then I have a basic light that I got off of Amazon that I use also to move around to make sure I've got the light setting just right for the shot.
Third are POV riding clips. These are clips of me riding and showing you video from my point of view. I do these exclusively now with my Insta360 Go 2. There's multiple ways I can use it for that. I'm actually recording this with it, but I will mount it either on the chest mount, which I found is a little overkill, or I'll mount it to my backpack on like the baseball cap clip, or I'll use the magnetic pendant that you can wear around your neck and just attach it between the pendant and your shirt. These methods make it really, really simple for me to catch POV shots on the go. My rides, I'm not typically riding and recording hours and hours of footage. My rides are a simple outro ride clip of the restored bike. And other than POV shots, what's awesome about the Insta360 Go 2 is one, its form factor. It's only slightly larger than my earpods case and fits easily in my pocket. And a lot of the POV shots that I've been sharing on Instagram, on my Instagram Reels, have been shot just using my Insta360 Go 2. It's awesome for that. But not only for that, it's also awesome for those selfie shots. And that's number 4. The Insta360 Go 2 has a built-in tripod that you can use kind of in a selfie mode. And you can use the case as a remote to control the camera also. And you can get selfie shots, like I showed just a bit ago, while you're riding, just one-handed holding up the Insta360 Go 2. It's really, really awesome for that. In addition to the Go 2, I also really like to use my Insta360 1R. This is a true 360-degree camera that has dual lenses on both sides that captures those great selfie shots of me while I'm riding. And I can use it, also put it on the side of the trail and do a ride pass without having to do multiple shots, changing the angle. Because the 360 camera, I can edit in post-production the video to actually follow me as I ride past. I've set up my Insta360 1R on a selfie stick with a piece of paracord so I can sling it over my shoulder while I'm riding and deploy it really quickly on the selfie stick, extend it for those great ride clips. I've also added on a tripod on the bottom so that I can put it on the side of the trail while I'm riding to get those ride-by selfie shots.
And last, for those shots where I'm talking to you in front of the camera, again, I'm using my Canon M50, but instead of the Video Micro mic on top of the camera, I have a Rode Wireless Go attached to the camera, and then a Rode Lav mic connected to the receiver end that is mic'd up here on me. And that gives me a chance to talk to you, get really clear audio with the lav mic just below, clipped to my shirt, giving me a chance to talk directly to all of you. So I hope you all found this interesting and that this content was valuable. To me, truly, part of the spirit of cycling is sharing with all of you the fun and experiences that I have in the shop and on the trail. The devices that I use are key to all of this. My Canon M50, the Rode mics, the Insta360 1R, and the Insta360 Go 2 are really key to me being able to capture this great content and share it with all of you. I've put links in the descriptions to the different devices that I use. If you guys like this type of content, let me know. I would love to dive a little deeper into each of these 5 categories in future videos if it is of interest to everyone. So, as always, look for opportunities to give those old things new life. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Ciao. Now to finish my ride.
It's the same old sound, the common ground. Just leave me be, don't ask me why. Behind these walls, no one talks, and tears will freeze unless